I'm Mitch. Welcome to my channel. Okay, if you watched the last video I released, it was a set of purple hardened ash coasters. If you have not watched it, please go back and watch it. This would be a continuation of that video. So during making those coasters, I discovered an Instagram page called Owl Woodworks, and he makes some outrageous cutting boards, beautiful cutting boards, and he makes them in various sizes. Well, one of the sizes is a very small size that he calls bar boards, which are about perfect for cutting a lime, lemons, garlic, just something you don't want to bring a big cutting board out for. I was very inspired by that, and so in this video I will be making a couple of boards to match the coasters from the last video. So seeing how this is going to match the coasters I've already made. The pattern's extremely simple. It's just stripes, random size stripes. So I'm not going to bore you with step-by-step details of this process. You're going to pick it up in the video. It's self-explanatory. There's no need for me to comment on it. In the last video, I mentioned the 100 subscriber giveaway, being a $100 Rockler card or $100 Grizzly card. I believe I'm going to go ahead and do the Rockler card. I think we had 95 at that particular time, and today, May 26th, year 2024, we have 111, and that is freaking awesome. So in the next few weeks, we're going to be reaching out to somebody and getting the contact information for the gift card. Now, I will be out of town for the next few weeks, is why it's going to be delayed. I'll be going to Greenville, South Carolina for my new job. So, but stay tuned and we'll make the announcement. Did I ever mention how much I love my planner? Great purchase. So in keeping up with the whole giveaway thing, I'd like to do another one when we reach 300 subscribers. And what I'm thinking is, I'm always talking about my Grizzly track saw and how I get pissed off when people rip on it, because I think it's personally the best value that's out there if you're going to buy a track saw. So I think I'm going to do a giveaway, and I'll give away a track saw bundle at 300 subscribers. And I would really like somebody to win the saw that could use the saw, that normally couldn't go out and buy the saw, even though it's, you know, $230 on a bad day for the bundle. It's easy for me to go out and purchase that saw. I mean, not a Festool saw, but this saw it is. But somebody that, you know, is just starting out, has a tight budget, I think it'd be really, really neat if somebody like that could get the saw and could really use it. So staying with the subject of beginning woodworking. So I've been doing it for about 7 months. And I think, in my opinion, that small projects like these are perfect. They build confidence and they build skills. And I would say anybody starting out should look at something like this. Or if they're in the area where they have a Rockler or a Woodcraft, I know that they offer classes on small projects, box classes. And if you're like me, when I first heard that, I thought that was the stupidest thing I ever heard. And then when I went to Greenville, they have both a Rockler and a Woodcraft there. And I talked to the guy and he showed me the box that you build. It's not about the box. It's definitely about learning techniques and learning skills. And that would be my opinion. That would be my advice, is find a place like that. If you don't have a rockler or a woodcraft, look and see if you have a woodworking guild. The one thing that I've noticed and picked up in the woodworking community is, man, everybody is eager to help you, and everybody wants to see you succeed, and everybody wants you to enjoy it like they enjoy it. And it's been the most amazing experience so far in the past 6 months. So I guess what I'm trying to say is, if you're a beginner and you watch a lot of YouTube videos like myself, just don't watch a video of a guy knocking out a Nakajima coffee table and think you're going to go out there and do it, because you're just not. You're just not. We're getting close to closing this video out. There I am putting on walrus oil on the cutting boards and enjoying an adult beverage, Miller Lite, my fave. Brass feet really set it off. It really turned out good. I sold both of these boards in coaster sets already, and I'll be making more. Please leave feedback. You're not going to hurt my feelings if you're a troll. Troll away. I don't care. And to the 111 subscribers of today, thank you very much. Y'all are awesome. It's very much appreciated. Look for the giveaway at 300 subs. Until the next one, take care.